The two men accused of co-conspiring with Governor Newsom's former chief of staff to steal money appeared in federal court today. Prosecutors accused them of siphoning funds from a dormant campaign account belonging to former U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Xavier Becerra. ABC 10's Becca Habegger joins us live in studio. And Becca, both men have now entered into plea agreements, right?
Yeah, Alex, that's right. And to be clear, neither Newsom nor Becerra are accused in any wrongdoing in this case. Now, I was inside the federal courtroom today where cameras are not allowed, so we'll start by showing you what happened outside the courthouse.
Any comment on how this erodes the public's trust in the workings of government?
Lobbyist Greg Campbell is one of two alleged co-conspirators named in the indictment of Dana Williamson. She's the former chief of staff to Governor Gavin Newsom. She, Campbell and Sean McCluskie, he's the former chief of staff for then U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Xavier Becerra, are accused of conspiring in a scheme to steal approximately $225,000 from a dormant campaign account of Becerra's. A fourth co-conspirator, Alexis Podesta, is not charged in the case, and her attorney says she was unaware the payments in the case were fraudulent and is cooperating with investigators. In federal court Friday, Campbell and McCluskie pleaded not guilty for now, but their attorneys told the judge they plan on changing their pleas to guilty at a future court date per a plea agreement each made with federal prosecutors. Both men face a charge of conspiracy to commit bank fraud and wire fraud. Campbell faces an additional charge of conspiracy to defraud the United States and to commit offenses against the United States.
Does Sarah know anything about any of this?
McCluskie and his attorney declined to comment Friday.
Comment on how these allegations erode the
Here's what Campbell's attorney said to journalists after court.
I know Greg Campbell to be an honorable former public servant, a respected and positive member of the community. Mr. Campbell takes full accountability for his actions and is cooperating fully with the legal process.
As for what this could mean for future politics,
I don't blame anybody for being even more frustrated than they already are.
Rich Eisen, a political insider and editor-in-chief of Capital Weekly, says allegations of high-ranking political aides and lobbyists stealing money from a campaign account erodes the public's trust in the political process.
But those are all things that make people go, oh, every time I think I can trust somebody, something like this happens. And I think those are wounds that don't heal easily.
McCluskie is due back in court this next Thursday. Campbell on December 4th. They're expected to change their pleas at those hearings from not guilty to guilty. And we'll continue following this, of course. Alex?